Passivation is the deactivation of a surface in the chromatography system. This is done by passing a strong acid through the sample pathway, deactivating the system. This is done when you're having issues, chromatography issues, such as peak tailing, peak splitting, or missing peaks in your chromatography system. A simple procedure for doing this is passing water, then 6 normal nitric acid, followed by water through the sample pathway to clean up the system for about 10 minutes. This is the way you passivate a system.